Dumpster rental service in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated is here to simplify your waste management needs. Whether you're handling a home renovation, clearing out your basement, or managing a construction site, we provide fast, reliable, and hassle-free solutions tailored to your needs. Our dumpsters come in a variety of sizes, from compact 10-yard containers perfect for small household projects to large 40-yard roll-offs ideal for major commercial jobs. No matter the scope of your project, BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated has the right dumpster for you. At BroCo Waste, we prioritize convenience and customer satisfaction. We offer same-day delivery and quick pickups to ensure your project stays on schedule. Our team is committed to making waste management easy and stress-free. Choosing BroCo Waste and Recycling means you're also choosing sustainability. We focus on responsible disposal and recycling, helping to reduce landfill waste and keep Philadelphia clean and green. Got a project and need a dumpster today? Our knowledgeable and friendly team will help you select the perfect solution for your needs. BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated is your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Call 856-900-7275 today and experience the BroCo Waste difference.